Theory of Virus and Cell Update, a presentation by Professor Gershom Zaitchik, Faculty of Medicine, Hebrew University of Jerusalem. Elementary unit of biology. We generally take the cell as an elementary unit of biology, but cells do not exist alone in our environment. Cells exist in families, and therefore cell family is the elementary unit of biology. Life on Earth consists of three domains, all started as single cells: archaea, bacteria, and eukaryotes. Archaea and bacteria are prokaryotes, and here you have an example, and this is an example of our eukaryotic cell. So let's start studying the eukaryotic cell. You have a cell with a genome and provirus, and this cell has a receptor to which generally viruses may interact or infect, and the virus and the cell creates also virion. In more detail, we see that the virus attaches a receptor and interacts with the provirus, and the provirus then creates virions exactly like the infecting virus. So, definition. Provirus is a set of cell genes with three functions. It stores the self of a cell, it controls who may infect the cell, and it controls virus production. Self is defined as a set of provirus genes unique to the cell. So here you have virus infects the cell and interacts with the provirus. The provirus contains the self, and the provirus also controls the virus production, and then the virus exits the cell. Definition of virus. Virus is a cell messenger. Virus is created by provirus, and virus stores self of the cell in its genome. Virus infects only cells with the same self, and let's remember that self is a set of provirus genes unique of a cell. So here's an example. Two viruses attempt to infect the cell. One virus is one of us. It carries the same self like the provirus, and the other virus is a foreigner. He is not one of us because he has a different self, and therefore this foreigner will be blocked by the provirus and never enter the cell. Cells exist in families. Cells of a family carry a unique self stored in their genome, and virus is the messenger of the family cell. And we know that generally the family started with a clone. This is a clone founder, and this time the entire family is populated by cells which have the same self like the clone. Virus and cell kinetics. So let's look what happened when a virus infects a cell, attaches to a receptor, then it's uncoated, which means that there remains only the genome of the infecting cell, and uncoating means also that at this state the virus dies. And the virus is born when provirus starts creating virions, so we have the virus birth here. And but there is also the fate of the cell, because once virions are formed, the cell dies in lysis. So virus dies during infection, virus is born in the provirus, cell is born during mitosis, and cell dies following virus infection. Conclusion: virus is a cell messenger created by the cell. No cell means no virus. More to come. Enjoy.